Hey guys, Alin here. So quick update for this week. So I worked on reconfiguring the green job board on WordPress for jobs.greencitizen.com. So I won't be digging into the details as we are just reconfiguring it, resetting it up, setting it ready for job posting. After going back and forth on two different solutions, the jobboard.io and the WordPress with WP Job Manager. So we chose this finally, but we will be growing it organically. So yeah, I'll set it ready. I'll work on it in the background, and I'll just report if there's a significant development on the job board. So yeah, another thing I worked on is I helped the team redesign important landing pages or the major landing pages for the Green Citizen main website. So just for the record, I'll just explain the thought process of the redesign. So this on the left, you can see the old previous design of the landing page for how to recycle landing pages. So this is the previous one. So on the right is what I came up with, which the team approved and should be implemented on the site this week. So I created 4 of these just to test out how we can easily replicate the landing pages for different items. So I think this design approach is easier to implement on the website while keeping everything consistent. So like the why section, this below the header, since these are points explaining environmental benefits of recycling, I think having it in bullet list is a better approach, like this one here. So I chose this bullet icon, an environmental check mark, to help users know that these are environmental benefits of recycling that certain item. And if users will see these check marks, they will immediately know, these are environmental benefit points. So, and also with this format, it would be more flexible to the length of the content per item depending on the style, writing style of the writer. So unlike on the left, we will be limited to this length of content. So we don't need to cut out those good contents that will be helpful for our SEO, just to accommodate it on this pattern here on the left. So next to that is the table, where I just use subtle background colors to isolate each row and the content. So that's that. And then on the how to recycle section, this is where we will use illustrative icons or images to help emphasize the process of each item. So also laid out this way to accommodate varied content lengths and easier to implement on the website, and made responsive to different screen sizes. Lastly, the where to recycle section, I redesigned the section to use what I call service cards. So I think this approach will better emphasize each service type and isolate each from the other. Also, I find the long button here a bit weird, so I just use the get started button, which was this was a feedback from James. Actually, I previously used a solid background button, but yeah, this I think this is really good. So this we follow this style. So yeah, so this week I'll be helping out in redesigning the homepage to better organize different information we have, so it would be easily consumable by our readers. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you.